Alright, so 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Get ready to install this 11.6-inch touchscreen radio from Car Joying. This one's plug and play, so it's already got the CAN bus connector and the antenna adapter and everything else that's needed to fully install this to be 100% plug and play in this Jeep's dashboard. I got the USB cables and the rear camera I'll be adding, which also came from Car Joying. This is their 1080p AR rear camera. I'm going to be mounting this other camera to the bottom of his trailer hitch here, using the super magnet to mount the camera. This connection that you see here is for his when he's using his camper. The camper has a camera on the back of it. This will plug in here, and he'll be able to view it live on the radio screen. So here's what the radio looks like in it now. It doesn't have a factory radio in it. It's got a aftermarket touchscreen from Car Joying. This is the smaller 9-inch model from several years ago. So we're going to upgrade it to the much bigger version of it. So let me take this dashboard apart and I'll show you how to install all this. All right, so like I said, this one's already got an aftermarket 9-inch Car Joying radio from several years ago. So I'll start by taking its screen off, getting it unplugged, setting the screen off to the side. That leaves you with just a single DIN chassis. So I'll come in here now. There's no screws holding these dashboards in. You just simply unclip it all. Let me get a corner started. Get the whole thing unclipped. There's, I think, 5 metal clips is all. Now you need a 7mm socket, and go ahead and take all 4 of these screws out. Alright, then once you have all 4 screws out, go ahead and take the radio out, unplug everything from the back side of it, and set the radio off to the side. And that leaves you with the factory wire harness connector and the factory antenna adapter. So again, take the antenna adapter the kit comes with, clip it in, take your CAN bus wire harness here, and simply plug it into the factory connector. Just like that. And that's all there is to this part. So now all that's ready to be plugged into the back of the radio. Let me go ahead and run the new USB cables. Alright, so here's the USB cables. I'm going to be putting those inside the glove compartment. This one's pretty easy to run these wires. Alright, so now I have the USB cables, I have the antenna adapter, and I have the main power harness for the radio. So all this is ready to be plugged into the back of it now. Now, like I said, I do plan on using the rear camera wiring, but I'm going to install that here after I make this video. Alright, so take the new radio, go ahead and plug everything in. So we'll plug the USB cables in, plug the antenna adapter in, and plug the main power wires in. So now everything's plugged in, let's screw it in place. Alright, now that's screwed in place, let's go ahead and put the dash bezel back in place. And just simply clips right in all the original holes. So it looks really nice. Let's go ahead and take the new screen and we'll plug it in and clip it in place. And it should be ready to try out now. So that part worked. Let's try the headlights. So yeah, the dimmer works. When we put it in reverse, it should display a black screen for the backup camera. Yep. It should show every time I open a door. It should show up on there. which it does. So that's honestly all there is to installing it. It's very plug and play. As you see, it doesn't block any of your buttons. It doesn't block any of your vents. Everything's a perfect fit. So here's what it looks like. Like I said, it doesn't stick out from the dash at all. It's nice and flush up against it. Really nice. All right, so this has been the 11.6 inch car joining vehicle specific for a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's see if the steering wheel controls work. So volume up, volume down. Try the channels.
TV one night and saw the
So yeah, everything was plug and play. Sweet. So here's the finished product. That's what it looks like. Here it is in reverse. Really clear image. Let me back up. So I'm actually going forward right now, but it's showing what's behind me. Alright, so let's put it in reverse, back up to the garage. That's a clear image. Here it is pulling back out.
Just have to kind of guess at it. It's mounted dead center of the hitch, right?
Yeah.
That'd be close enough to plug the, what you call it, just see if it
So he's going to walk out back to the back of the camper, and you'll be able to see him on the rear. So this is showing what's behind the camper. So when you're going down the interstate and stuff, you'll be able to see how to change lanes and stuff real easy. See him back there or not. radio, steering wheel controls work.
Are we going to the local sports bar with overpriced beer and bad food? Are we going down the
Pretty cool.
Well, that's about all the time we have for today. Remember, if you see anything here you don't feel comfortable with, go see a pro. Until next time, so long from Shade Tree Mechanics.
See you later.